Nice.
Did you get it on video?
Yeah. The master.
Fun, man. I'll do my best. Just nail it. I was gonna scare them. I just killed my car, dude. Look, it's broken. Hey Doug, I need a new fucking car, man.
Did you hear that, dog?
I broke it. I might look at it's paralyzed just like me. Let's go assess the devastation. Took a pretty hard slammer into the concrete block.
They put the police line already there?
Yes. Can't pass the police line. I don't know what I did to it, man, but something. Maybe it shut off. I don't know. I definitely broke something.